Greetings everybody, we're outside again, and today we're riding into Birmingham. But while we're riding, I'm going to be speaking about insurance and how it's an absolute scam. Let's get into it. So picture this here. So say for example you buy, I don't know, and this is the same thing to do with cars as well, innit? But let's just deal with it as we see it, innit? So you buy yourself a motorcycle, say you spend £1,000, first bike. So then you tax it, probably cost you about 60 quid for the year, probably even a bit more. And then you go to insure it. So you put in all your details, and it comes up, you know, £700 for the year. Mine doesn't, thank freak for that. So when you get insurance, obviously, if you're anything like me, to be fair, the last thing you want to do is claim. You do not want to claim off your policy, because if you claim off your policy next year, you're gonna get fully shafted. Do you get me? Right? So 12 months down the line, the insurance runs out. So imagine you've paid your £500, £700 or whatever it is for the year, and you don't get anything back, like nothing at all. So what did you pay for? You literally just paid for a peace of mind. Now that's not a major issue, but what they should be doing is, you know what, whatever you've paid for your policy, if you don't claim anything, then they should refund you at least half of, you know what I mean? If you paid £500 for your insurance, they should refund you like £250. Like, why not? Because you didn't claim. All you paid for is a piece of flipping paper or an email. You know what I'm saying? Like a digital certificate to say I'm insured, and that's it. And I think it's disgusting. And every year the policies just keep going up and up and up till you keep. Before, back in the day, you would stay with the one company, and every year it just keeps going down and down and down. Now you have to keep shape shifting, jumping hoops and going for. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous, man. Like, they're literally taking us for idiot. Do you get what I'm saying? And when it comes to insurance as well, I don't know how you guys do it, but me personally, all I'm interested in with insurance is I can take a pull when police come. If I have an accident, I'm covered. If I injure anyone, damage someone else's property, it's all covered. That's all I'm really interested in. If my bike decided to do a David Blaine and disappear, okay, cool. I don't know, would I claim or not? Do you know what I mean? The bike's not that expensive, I'll just replace it. Do you know what I'm saying? Because what I don't want is to be paying over the flipping odds on a bike, or any insurance for that matter. Do you know what I mean? Because I just don't want to claim, really and truly. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, So yeah, the insurance thing is definitely a big, stinking, dirty scam. And I don't know, maybe if the people all get together, gonna be a bit controversial now. So if all the people got together and said, you know something, nobody's paying insurance. How about that? No one's paying insurance. How I think insurance should work really is maybe we should, maybe they should say to you, say you're riding a bike, then maybe they should say to you, okay, you gotta have a certain, right, this is how insurance should really work. You should pay a little fee, maybe. So say for example, if the policy is supposed to be £500, right, maybe you're supposed to pay, I don't know, a quarter of that, and then if you have an accident, then you start paying for the 12 months. Maybe something like that. I don't know how you feel about that. I don't know if that makes sense. you know what I'm saying? So let's just say your policy is £500 for the year. I don't know, pay £100 deposit, right? So you got that cover for 12 months. And then if you have an accident, then the monthly pays, if you make a claim, should I say, then the monthly fee starts to kick in for the 12 months. I think that's what they should do. Because I think it's flipping ridiculous that they've just got us paying. Like, I know someone that's got a bike similar to this. It's a 600, it's a Yamaha. And he's 27 and he's paying nearly £1,000. And I'm like, mate, that is crazy to me. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's too much money as far as I'm concerned. And really and truly, because obviously when it comes to the bike, in terms of like the cover, it's only really for yourself. Do you know what I'm saying? I mean, you can get pillion cover, but for the most part, it's just you yourself on the bike. Do you know what I mean? It's ridiculous, man. Yeah, this insurance scam, man. They need to stop it, man. Absolutely stop it. Just stop scamming the people, man. But the problem is the people are sheep, and we're like zombies. Whatever they say, we just moan about it and just continue paying, just like the flipping fuel prices, the energy prices. We complain, but we keep paying. You get me? It's called market resistance, and how much can I put something up to until people stop entertaining it, people stop buying it? And it's already been demonstrated that they can put fuel up to £2 and the cars are still moving. Do you get me? They can triple, quadruple the energy prices and we're still paying it. Do you know what I mean? They can put the insurance premiums through the roof and we're still doing it. So that's why sometimes, do you know what I mean, when people are just riding and driving dirty, can't really complain on them, innit? Can't really say much. It's on them, and if they mess up, then they're gonna get nicked, innit? Do you know what I'm saying? We kind of pay for that peace of mind, but sometimes that peace of mind, it costs too much, man. It's taking a piss, and in the long term, we suffer, innit? Do you get me? Look at this guy's letting me go, innit? But anyway, guys, how do you feel about the insurance? How do you think insurance is, how's the insurance serving you? How much are you paying for the year, and how old are you? Do you get me? But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Let's get some engagement going on, guys. Well, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and we are out.